Imagine this. It's April 14th, you're buried in 1099s from your freelance gigs, and your bank account is screaming for mercy. One wrong click, and boom, IRS audit nightmare. Sound familiar? As a freelancer, taxes aren't just a chore. They're a profit killer if you don't get them right. But what if I told you could file for free, no hidden fees, no upsells, and still maximize those juicy deductions like home office or mileage? Stick around, because today I'm breaking down the best free tax software for freelancers in 2025. By the end, you'll save hundreds and sleep like a baby. Let's dive in. Transition, upbeat music swells. Cut to host you in a cozy home office setup, smiling at camera. Screen, why freelancers need special tax tools with icons of Schedule C, 1099, and dollar signs. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we make freelancing less hustle and grind and more smart and savvy. I'm your name, a fellow freelancer who's dodged more tax bullets than I can count. If you're self-employed, whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or Uber side hustler, you know the drill. Schedule C for business profits, self-employment taxes on the 15.3% sting, and tracking every receipt like it's gold. Paid software like TurboTax can cost $100 plus, but why shell out when free options handle it all? Today, we'll cover the top 3 truly free picks that support freelancers based on the latest 2025 reviews. We'll hit pros, cons, and quick setup tips. Let's get you filing fearlessly. Transition, animated graphic listing top 3 free picks with check marks. Screen, number 1 pops up with Cash App Taxes logo. Section 1, number 1 pick, Cash App Taxes. Coming in at number 1, Cash App Taxes. If you're already using Cash App for client payments, hello, instant deposits, this is your no-brainer. It's 100% free for federal returns and one state return, which is huge for us multi-state freelancers. And yes, it fully supports self-employed filers with Schedule C for business income and expenses, plus Schedule SE for those pesky self-employment taxes. Pros. Super simple interface, think mobile first, like scrolling TikTok but for taxes. It imports your W to South and 1099s automatically if they're digital, and it flags deductions like mileage or supplies to boost your refund. No income limits, and it's backed by Block the H and A folks, so e-filing is secure and direct to the IRS. Cons. Customer support is basic email only. No live chat unless you upgrade, which you won't need. It skips advanced stuff like multi-state filings beyond 1 or foreign income, so if your gigs span countries, look elsewhere. Also, audit protection. Not included, but hey, free is free.
Quick setup. Download the Cash App, tap Taxes in the menu, create an account, and follow the guided questions. It takes about 1-2 hours for a standard freelance return. Pro tip. Link your bank early for seamless 1099K imports from platforms like Upwork. Freelancers, this one's a game changer for side hustlers under $100,000 in gigs. Transition, swipe animation to number 2. Screen, FreeTaxUSA logo with free federal plus cheap states badge. Section 2, number 2 pick FreeTaxUSA. Number 2. FreeTaxUSA. Don't let the name fool you, this isn't some bare bones tool. It's a powerhouse for freelancers, offering completely free federal filing with full self-employed support, including Schedule C, 1099 NECMS-K forms, and even home office deductions via Form 8829. States cost just $14.99 each, way cheaper than TurboTax's $50 upsell. Why it rocks? Over 350 forms and credits covered, with step-by-step guidance that's beginner-friendly but detailed enough for pros. It does accuracy checks twice, once mid-process, once before filing to catch errors that could trigger audits. Plus, import last year's PDF return in seconds, and it's got unlimited support via email or phone, free tier included. No selling your data, and e-file speeds. Refunds in 21 days or less. Downsides, the interface feels a tad dated, like early 2000s web design, but it works flawlessly. No mobile app, so desktop or tablet is best. And if you're in a super complex spot like multi-member LLCs, You might need their $7.99 deluxe upgrade for priority help. How to start? Head to FreeTaxUSA.com. Sign up takes 2 minutes, and jump into the interview-style questions. For freelancers, focus on the business section to upload receipts. It even calculates mileage rates automatically. If you're a contractor with variable income, this keeps your Schedule C crystal clear. Solid choice for anyone wanting depth without the dough. Transition. Quick cut to number 3. Screen. IRS Free File logo with official and guided badge. Patriotic blue tones. Section 3. Number 3. Pick IRS Free File. Rounding out the top 3. IRS Free File, the government's own freebie program. If your adjusted gross income is $84,000 or less, that's 2024 income for 2025 filing, you get guided software from trusted partners like TaxAct or Online Taxes, all free for federal, and some toss in a free state too. Crucially, it handles freelancer essentials, Schedule C for profits or losses, self-employment tax via Schedule SE, and common deductions. The wins. It's official IRS backed, so zero scam risk, and the guided interviews make it dummy-proof, even if taxes make your eyes glaze over. Partners vary, but most support e-filing and basic audits checks. Available in Spanish too, and no ads or upsells.
The catch is that $84,000 AGI cap excludes higher earners, though if you're over. Check IRS Free File fillable forms for manual federal filing, still free, but no hand-holding. State coverage isn't universal, and complex scenarios like foreign freelance income might push you to a paid partner add-on. Also, it opens January 2025, so plan ahead. Getting going. Visit irs.gov/freefile, answer a few eligibility questions, and pick a partner. For us freelancers, select one with self-employed support. TaxACSA fave for its clean flow. Upload your 1099s and let it auto-populate. Bonus, if you're low income, pair this with VITA for free in-person help on simple Schedule C stuff. Transition, split screen comparison table. Screen, quick pros, cons table for all 3. Quick comparison and honorable mentions. Quick side-by-side. Cash App taxes wins for mobile ease and free state. FreeTaxUSA for form depth. IRS Free File for trust factor. All e-file free and support Schedule C. No more paper nightmares. Honorable mentions? If you're military, mil taxes free with freelance tweaks. For super simple returns, TaxAC's free edition works but skips full self-employed support. And remember, track expenses year-round with apps like QuickBooks Self-Employed to make filing a breeze. Closing scene. Host leans in. Motivational music. Screen. Your top pick. Poll plus subscribe button. Conclusion and CTA. So, freelancers, which one's calling your name? If you're gig economy mobile, go Cash App. Detail-oriented? FreeTaxUSA. Budget capped? IRS Free File. Whichever you pick. File early to avoid penalties and snack that refund faster. Taxes don't have to suck. You've got this. Drop a comment. What's your go-to tax hack? Smash like if this saved you money. Subscribe for more freelance tips. And hit the bell. Links to all these tools in the description. Thanks for watching. Now go conquer those returns. Peace out.